Today we're going to be learning 1612 by Vulfpeck. Okay, so this song has three sections. The chorus section, the verse section, and of course the funky solo-esque kind of bridge section. And we're going to be going through all of that. So our chorus section, which is the first section in the song, is just a C major chord going to an F major chord, which is inverted to have the C on the bottom. So the rhythm for those two chords is going to go like this. Nothing too crazy there. So that gets us right into our verse. In our verse, our left hand is playing this chord, which is an inversion of a G chord with an E in the middle there, and our right hand goes, that's a little slide from B flat to B, and then going up to G. And then, and really slowly that goes with the full two-handed chord landing on the last beat of the phrase. So our whole verse section goes like this. The second time the verse happens, it adds a little sharp 4 major chord passing chord in between the 5 chord and the 4 chord, like this. So that was a quick F sharp major chord going down to an F. Frank Sinatra, that part. So that's going to get us into our bridge solo section. I'll play the whole thing first and then I'll break it down. So we're starting with an E major chord, inverted to have the G sharp in the bottom of the chord, going to an A minor, and then we play this little phrase with our right hand. Then our left hand goes, and then our right hand goes, and then I'm landing on an inversion of a G chord with both hands. So I'll play that really, really slowly. And we hit the G 4 times. Well, we got those vocal runs in there. And then we're back into our chorus part. And that's the whole song.